everyone, Gina and I, and actually Jean Marie, are here in Costa Rica. You remember the retreat we were going on where we're having a wonderful time, but enjoying Costa Rica, but now today we really enjoyed something sensational, which is a woman from the United States who's a naturalized Costa Rican who began as an environmental lawyer, has come down here and done amazing things to develop local communities and to conserve the land and to plant trees. So tell us a little bit about Ginny, your name is, right?
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. It's a pleasure. And we just did a great plant walk, and
we saw so many plants in just 2 hours. It's amazing.
Medicine, and tasted things and smelled things and really connected with nature. And that's what we're here to do with the organization Community Carbon Trees. And so what we do is we produce all the baby trees, we seed collect, we work with women in our tree nurseries. They make the fertile soil, the compost,
so they
everything.
Make the soil, they collect the seeds, make the soil, and then you take these baby trees to the different campesinos, the different country people, the different farmers, and they actually can earn a living from this.
Yes, we are all about fair pay. We are not going to regrow the rainforest if we don't create jobs. And so we also have to return to take care of the trees. That cattle grass grows back quickly. So every single tree gets 4 years of very constant labor management, and all these Costa Rican people are making money from it. Every hour is paid for, their taxes, their insurance. And so as we develop the forest and grow the forest, we're also growing
the community.
Yes.
And this is one of the most important things, keeping the soil rich, having trees, and keeping people on the land.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful thing, and we just want to say that we so appreciate you spending time with us, and all of us should really think, I'm certainly going to make a plan to donate even a few dollars a month will help them stabilize this program. And the people will give you the sign. You can go to Carbon Trees. It's a wonderful, totally legitimate nonprofit. You can use it as a tax deduction. So think about the environment. Think about helping this amazing effort that's going on in Costa Rica. And we so appreciate you sharing all the knowledge about the trees, but also the effort, the energy you have giving to preserve trees, soil, and to create community here in Costa Rica.
Wow, and your community being part of it. That is the idea of community carbon.
Oh yeah, because it was Gina's idea that we're donating some trees.
Yeah, everyone's sponsoring a tree, and those sponsorships actually make a difference. Doesn't matter how many trees, because everybody together we can do this. We can bring the rainforest back to life. We are doing it. It's real. And if we fix the equator, the tropical zones, we're actually helping our entire planet.
The rainforests are our lungs.
They're our lungs, they're our water, our food, our joy, our future generations. So thank you both. Thank you everybody out there. We really, really
thank you.
Love trees.
Join us in helping sponsor this wonderful nonprofit to care for the trees, bring fresh air to the earth.